Hey guys, Todd here for Freedom Steel, former contract lobbyist, Illinois gun law guru. Short, quick update about things. So I'm reading the state police have released new statistics today, and as of today, 15,164 people have decided to register something with the state police under the Illinois Protect Illinois Communities Act. So, uh, total disclosures are 51,978, 33,065 are firearms, 18,632 are accessories, and 281 are for ammunition. So, with 2,415,481 FOID cards. Amazing how that number hasn't changed in the last 60 days, up or down. That there are 15,164 registrants. So that would mean we've pretty much doubled from where we were last week. And we now have 0.62% of FOID card holders registering something. They have not hit a single percentage point for total registrants. And I don't think you can sit there and use the total number of things against FOID cards because I don't know a single gun owner that owns one gun. And with that, but now we have clearly cracked the three items per person. So the average person is registering just over three items, be it some ammo, accessories, or guns. They're not registering a single gun. Now, you can extrapolate that out, and it would tell you that if 50% of gun owners in the state of Illinois had something that qualified under this crazy law, if they followed this model, then you're at 1.2 million gun owners times 3. There should be 3.6 million items that need to be registered at this rate. And we all pretty much know that there's a big middle finger getting tossed to Governor J.B. Pritzker and the state police and the follically challenged trio of Bob Morgan, Chris Welch, and Don Harmon. So, with that, those are the numbers. You're not complying. And we're telling them F off. So, with all that, please, we appreciate all the thoughtful messages we've been getting here. It's a little different because I'm at the hospital room. I'm not in front of my computer. I don't have all my editing software. So, these videos that I'm going to try to do and try to knock out here are they're not going to be as snazzy as what you guys are going to see, but they'll still have the same old great content. So as always, please like, copy, subscribe, cut and paste the link into your social medias and share it around. But all you rebels out there, you're doing a damn good job. Frag out.